Oh, good morning. Day 2 of RAGBRAI. I don't remember the stats for today, so they will be here. Right there. See? In the palm of my hand. I know I'm off my hand. Right there. Must have had a big rainstorm last night because there's water inside of my vestibule. I have a landing pad back here, and there's a whole puddle of water laying in that section. So, luckily I brought an extra shirt, so I'm just gonna have to ride in this shirt. Although that is merino wool, so maybe by the time I've got my tent packed up and all that, it will be dry. But the knee is feeling alright this morning. I kind of slept on it wrong here for the last couple hours. So we'll just have to baby it going out this morning, and then I get another 80 miles home today, or closer to home today. So I am dead ass tired. Anyway, I'm gonna stop babbling, start packing up here, and we need coffee this morning, 100%. Okay. Well, I've got you shoved in a tree. We're just putting the last couple pieces of this puzzle together. My knee's still sore. Now that I've actually walked around and such, it's not as bad anymore. But yeah, we'll make it work. I'm here unsupported, so I kind of have no choice. I did get my first entry in yesterday, so that's good. So I've got that chip on my shoulder. Cool beans. Look at that. What you just looking at? I'm standing here talking to a tree, so don't mind me. Alright. Okay, well, let's get this party started, and then we'll see you down the road. Goodbye. Have a fun RAGBRAI.
A1 officially rolling. We left Orange City in a blur of tents, bacon smells, and bike bells. The sun was already climbing, casting that warm orange glow.
And we were off into the madness.
Back onto the town that had just launched thousands of riders eastbound. After yesterday's storm-soaked madness, today felt like a reward. Blue skies, fresh legs, and that buzzing energy you only get when the world around you is pedaling in the same direction. Out here, there's no right bike, just the one that gets you to the next town. Road bike, gravel bike, fat bikes, tandems, recumbents, trike, e-bikes, cargo bike, boombox bikes. Some folks ride in costumes, some ride barefoot. Every wheel is welcome. It's like a parade powered by human grit and good vibes. I even managed to meet up the legend himself, Ryan Van Duzer. Caught him mid-filming, flags waving, smile wide. He's the guy that got me hooked onto this whole idea of suffering on two wheels. Bikepacking, adventure riding, or whatever you call it, it's hard sometimes. But something about pushing yourself, really pushing, makes you see the world a little differently. And according to the Duzer flags, Headwinds. That's the theme for this week. We moved through small towns with big hearts, each one a pit stop, a party, and a place to catch your breath. Volunteers shouting welcome as you roll in. Music spilling out from bandstands and boomboxes, and almost every town square has some humble setup. A PVC pipe with dozens of spigots. Your lifeline in the Iowa sun. Just water, but it might as well be gold. So I'm so used to my bike having a kickstand, so it's kind of sad if I have to lay her ass down on the grass. So I think that's going to be part of the next upgrade section. We better be getting a kickstand here one of these days. Absolutely. The terrain was kind, mostly rolling with 1,797 feet of elevation to keep the legs honest.
Sorry. You're fine.
But never mean. Tailwinds here, headwinds there, every mile with its own mood.
140-pound rig.
140 pounds. Sometimes you turn the battery off and you go a little bit further.
That's RAGBRAI.
You can wave to the camera.
Yeah. Nice, you got the ball.
So if the kaibos or porta potties are all completely jammed up, this is your next best option. I mean, why in the hell stand in a line with 30 people if you can just have 30 corniers looking at your bits?
At some point, the group chatter faded. Maybe we were all just soaking it in. Those quiet stretches between towns where the cornfields really seemed to stretch forever.
This is what you do when you have strong headwinds. You just slide in behind the guy in front of you and then kind of duck. I'm riding arrow now, baby. These guys are out here handing out Red Bulls.
We're getting close to it now.
That's freaking amazing. They're lifesavers out here, kind of this time of the day.
Yeah.
62 miles in.
Yeah, that's right.
So this is the part where I break away from the big crowds, kind of get my mind back together. So just took a right back there. We are heading towards the gravel section. There's only like 9 miles to go, 10 miles to go till we hit Milford, which is over there. So yeah, this is my happy place. We're still on blacktop. Dirt starts up ahead here. Yeah, I'll see you on the dirt.
I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't know if it's all the way on there.
Somewhere along the gravel section, we came across a rider pulled off to the side, front wheel blown out. Justin and I pulled over without hesitation.
That's what it did. It's like it just wants to freaking.
I wonder if your beads are bent.
Could be.
Do you guys have sport here?
Swapped in a spare tube, hit with a CO2 cartridge, and got him rolling again in no time. That's just how it goes out here, helping each other 1 mile at a time.
Just made it to camp here. I'm gonna camp with these guys tonight. Team Duzer out here. So I'm not entirely sure what I've got planned for the rest of the night, but the day went good. We ended up with 76.3 miles. Had a guy there on the gravel we had to help get his front tire put back on the rim again. You know, all the fun jazz of RAGBRAI. So day 2, well actually first day, but my second day on RAGBRAI, went really well. I'm super surprised at how well I'm keeping up with 128 miles yesterday, the 76 today. I almost feel like I'm not biking. I don't know if I can say I can do another 30 or 40 miles, but I can definitely keep going. So, bathrooms are right there. And then shower by the well is over that way. I'm gonna see if I can grab a shower, maybe, seeing that I missed one just last night. So, but we'll make it happen.
As Milford came into view, the energy picked back up. Riders trickled in, chasing shade, showers, and something cold to drink. 77.6 miles, 1 day down, and somehow it already feels like we've been riding for a week, or at least I have. But that's the magic of RAGBRAI. Every day is its own story. Tomorrow, we write the next chapter.
So we're eating crepes. What I know as pancakes in South Africa. This one here is filled with lemon curd, strawberries, and some cream. I'm just venturing down Food Alley here at the moment.
After invading yet another one of Iowa's small town just for one night, it's time to call it a night. Thank you so much for watching. Good night, everybody. Sweet dreams, and we will see you again next week for part 3 of RAGBRAI 52.
I just found this mural. Yeah, my shadow.
Next time on RAGBRAI 52.
Wait, 1 5.